have here?
Maggie!
For today, we will be digging some monsters. I'm so excited. How about you, Mike? Are you excited?
Me too!
Yeah.
100% excited.
Me too. Let's open it.
Okay. So I will... Oh! Wow! Look at Orky! It's a real popsicle. Let's eat it.
No! Maggie.
It's real popsicles, guys.
It's twin popsies.
Let's eat it, guys.
Okay, guys. This is what it looks like. And here we have the possible monsters we will get.
Yes, and the popsicles is like real popsicles.
Yes, it's twin popsies.
Let me open it.
So guys, this is what it looks like. Okay. Here we have the jelly
Yeah.
and the tools we will be using.
Wow.
Here we have a grater, like the ones you will be scraping with, like that.
Yes, slowly, guys.
And a knife. We have a knife. There we go. Like this.
Warning, cannot eat this.
Mm-hmm.
It's just toys, and then when you eat it, it's poison.
Guys, I have here blue.
I have here purple.
Now, let's dig!
Wait, open it.
Yeah. Did you take it off? Oh my gosh. Okay.
So
Wow, it's jiggly.
gooey.
Okay, I'm just gonna like... Guys, this is how you use the knife. Carefully do it like this. And you have this like grater right over here, and you can just like do that carefully. That way you can find the toy. I mean the monster. There we go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Oh. it yeeted to me.
I'm sorry, it needed like cheese.
I'll just use the grater. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna.
Guys, by the way, it's very soft and it's very easy to crush it. But we're just taking our time because it's so satisfying.
Oh my god!
What's that? Matthew.
I'm gonna.
Wait. Ooh.
Oh my god!
What's this?
I made a heart! Look at my heart.
That's
I
cute.
love you.
Guys, I found this. It's like, I think you can like do this. Like it's a mold or
I
something.
even made it I'm gonna keep them taking.
Okay, we're just gonna keep I will just keep it there.
This is so.
Guys, look. It's a snowflake. Ta-da! Okay, let's go back.
Oh, I see the coffee.
What? You do? Look, guys! I'm still taking it off.
Okay, I will wait for you, but first I will. It's a hole. It's a hole.
Whoa. I see mine too. Yeah.
I will put
Because this guy. What the? Okay. We're just gonna get it.
Archie.
Wow, look at the jelly, guys.
Look at my
Here
heart.
is my blind bag. Ta-da!
My hands are now grandma.
Me too, Granny hands.
Granny has a granny hand because it's a granny. Get it?
Okay. Guys, by the way, if you don't know, there is actually facts on the tools. I'll read this fact. Mondi fun fact 11. Whenever Mondi sneezes, a snowball is born. Here in my knife, it says fun fact number 9. Mondi's favorite day is Sunday. It's the Sunday, like the Sunday ice cream when it's Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Mine?
Yeah.
Okay. Monty fun fact. Monty used to have a bowl haircut.
What?
I don't know how.
Okay, there.
Monty fun fact 12. When traveling by air, Monty always flies across class.
What?
I don't know.
I'll read it again, guys. Mondi fun fact 12. When traveling by air, Mondi always flies first class. Ooh.
I don't know how that.
Because there is a first class, but
Oh.
his is
Um.
frost class.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay.
Ate Orky,
Yes.
maybe we can make a popsicle here.
Wait, that is a good idea.
Later we are making twin pops.
Yeah. Okay. By the way, guys, you can make a color change reveal within 10 seconds.
This is Monty. I saw Monty. I saw new Monty.
All of them are Mondis.
I like the I want.
Okay.
Oh, this is the color reveal.
Ooh, that's nice. Okay, guys, let's open it now.
I'm so excited.
I'm so scared. What's that? Just take it off. Did it eat on me? My gosh.
Here's mine.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Show it. Show it.
Oh my god!
Ooh.
Yeah, my name is Monty.
Maggie likes the color. Wow!
That's
Look
the
at
one-
mine.
That's the one that I wanted.
It looks so cute. At least yours is all pink, your favorite.
That's my favorite.
Hello, my name is Monji.
My name is Melty Monty.
Oh, by the way, my name is actually Stripe Monji.
I kind of want to lick yours because you look like a popsicle.
Don't you eat me! Ah!
I'm sorry.
I'm okay. Ow.
It's just a joke.
Guys, I have here Stripe Monji. And Maggie has.
Melty Monty because look at her back. It's melting.
I'll show it to them. Okay. Now, time to see what they look like after the color reveal. Go.
Mommy. Oh.
You're doing it upside down. I might not get this back after this. I'm just gonna hold it like this. Why is mine not changing, guys? Mine's changing, but not mine.
Mom, mine is this one.
I really wanted to change. Please change, Mondi, please.
I'm sorry, but no.
I am not talking to you, Melty Mondi. No offense, Melty Mondi looks good. But why is mine not changing? Can there just like be a little change?
Look.
Like Maggie's just like the head, please?
Oh, look.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
The rain because oh wow.
Look at mine.
Wow.
Rip Mondi. Rip Mondi for not.
Doesn't change Manji.
It's called. It should be the not changing Mondi.
Yeah, this is true.
Guys, we really enjoyed playing, digging, scraping, looking what monster we will get, and seeing if it will change color. I really recommend playing with this, and it's really fun.
Yes.
I give this a 9 out of 10. It's just because my Monji did not change color, and why did Maggie's change color? But overall, it's very nice. How about you, Maggie?
I give it 10 out of 10 because I'm so happy my emoji changed.
But mine, no. It's okay.
Don't worry.
Aw, hugs.
Bravo! I'm looking at you, monkeys.
Guys, this is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like our video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell button. And if you have comments, put it in the comment section below. Goodbye! Maggie, let's make our popsicles now.